Hello everyone. Today also we are going to see about the 1 mark part. Fill in the blanks with words that convey the correct meaning of the sentences. Yeah, we need to fill the blank with the words, correct words, which will convey the correct meaning of that sentence. Okay. Before going to see this, I want to tell you something. Okay. Let me see. Does nothing but homophones. Okay, what is meant by homophones? It is nothing but with the help of there is a two words with the same sound. Okay, there is a two words with the same sound, but there is a different spelling and a meaning in that words. Okay, homophones is nothing but two words with the same sound, but there is a different spelling and a meaning for that words. Okay, example, let me see the example. Here, what is the difference between these two? The sounds are the same. Here, but look at here, the spelling is different, and then this also different. Then what will be the meaning? Here, it is nothing but to hear something, and this here means, and the book is here, the pencil is here. Yeah, this here means hearing something, this here means denoting some objects on the place. Okay, so there is a two different words with the same sound here, but with the different spelling and the meaning. Let me see another example. Die, D-I-E, die, D-Y-E, die. What is the meaning for this word die? It is nothing but a death of the person. Yes, and what is the meaning for this dye? It is nothing but the hair coloring. Yeah, we use it to dye our hair or to dye the cloth, to put the color for the cloth. Yeah, this dye means that, this means applying color for our hair, like that. We use the dye to apply the color for our hair. So here also the two different words with the same sound, dye, but with the different spelling, D-I-E, dye, D-Y-E, dye, and also the meaning. Yeah, I hope you understand what is meant by homophones, and we are going to apply use that, and here we are going to fill these blanks with the help of that homophone words. Okay, there is a two words with the different sounds, with the different spelling and also with the different meaning, but with the same sound. Okay, we need to complete these sentence with the help of these words. First one, tiny hatchlings fall dash to many predators. What? It fall prey to many predators. Which prey will come, and what is the meaning for this prey and this prey? Let me see. What is the meaning for this prey? It is nothing but praying the god. Okay, we have some wish and we all pray to that god. No, yeah, that is the meaning for this prey, and this is this. What is the meaning for this prey? It is nothing but a food. Okay, eating thing. Yeah, this prey means praying to god, this means food. Okay, then what will come? Tiny hatchlings fall dash to many predators. Which prey will come? Yeah, this prey, P-R-E-Y, prey. It is nothing but false food to many predators. And the next one, sea turtles live their dash life in the sea. Look at the options. Hole. What is the meaning for this hole? It is nothing but a space on the ground, a small hole on the ground. Yeah, and what is this hole? A hole, all, everything. Yeah. Okay, then what will come? Sea turtles live their whole life in the sea. Which hole will come? This is the meaning for the tiny hole on the wall. This is the meaning for the entire. Yeah, W-H-O-L-E, hole will come. It lived their entire life, whole life in the sea. The turtles come ashore only during the dash. Which time that will come? N-I-G-H-T, night, K-N-I-G-H-T, night. Which night will come? This means the night time. Okay, and this means the soldiers. Okay, then which night will come? N-I-G-H-T, night. Yes. Then the predators follow the dash of the turtles to eat their eggs. Which is this? Scent, scent. The predators follow the dash of the sea turtles to eat their eggs. Scent, scent. What is the meaning of this scent? I hope you all noticed this SENT, scent, in your mobile phones. While we send a message to other, yeah, the message sent. There is a notification, message sent. So SENT, sent means sending something. You're sending something. SCENT, scent means a smell. Okay. So which one will come? The predators follow the message or the smell, Tango? Yeah, it is nothing but a smell. So SCENT, scent. Next question. The female sea turtles lay eggs and go back to the dash. Sea. Which sea will come? SEEC means seeing something, watching something. And SEAC means the ocean. Yeah. The watery land. Then which will come? The female turtles lay eggs and go back to the dash. SEAC. Yeah, I hope you all understand this and also what is meant by homophones. Thank you for your listening.